hope that you and everyone you care about is well and healthy. And even though things feel kind of gloomy right now, it is still spring, so I thought it was a good time to share some spring nail art ideas. Now, I'm actually posting this video on Easter, so I thought it was only fitting to start with a spring-themed / Easter-themed manicure idea. And this one has cute little bunnies, and it's actually really simple because I used decals for the bunnies and some textured nail polish for the rest of my nails to add a little bit of extra spice, a little bit of extra drama to the nails. This is actually a fully white manicure, which is not something that I usually go for, but I thought that it went well with the whole light, airy spring theme that I was going for. In case you don't have nail decals, you could always freehand draw any of the designs that I'm going to be showing you today. And as for the textured polish, you could always do something similar by using just white glitter and covering it with top coat. Now, this next set is actually one that I did over a year ago, so I only have photos, and I have a few of these in this video. This one is a floral French. I actually used 2 different sets of decals for this set of nails, with the first set being the floral French set of decals that are on the tips of my nails, and the second set being the black sort of necklace lacy type decals that are on the bottom of the nails. It would have been perfectly fine to leave just the florals, but I wanted to add a little bit more drama to the manicure, and I wanted to fill out that empty space that was at the bottom of my nails. Now, the next set is another white set, and I know that I said that I very rarely do these, but they just happen to fall within the same video. I guess I'm more likely to do them in spring. Although in this set, the base is a more grayish-white color, and I added black decals and black rhinestones wherever there was some empty space in the decals to add a little bit more pop to the nails, and to make things a little bit more interesting. As for this next set, it's another floral manicure. I think you're starting to see a theme. I'm clearly very original with my florals and bunnies for spring, but in any case, this set is a little bit more brighter and a little bit more dramatic. And here I'm using red and yellow florals, again from decals, although the French ones I actually cut to shape, which is definitely something you can do, by the way. If you have full nail decals, you can always cut them to whatever shape you feel like using. And even though the florals are actually quite bright on their own, I just really like sparkles and bright things, so I decided to add some Swarovski crystals to 2 nails on each hand. I suppose I would call them my statement nails in what is already a fairly dramatic manicure, so is it overkill? I don't know, maybe, but I definitely got a lot of compliments on this set, so maybe not. And the last manicure that I'm going to show you is actually my Easter manicure from last year. And this is where I actually used the first half of the bunny decals that you saw in the first manicure in this video. But this time I paired them with white crackle polish that I put over a light yellow base, because I thought that it would sort of resemble a cracked eggshell effect, with the yolk showing through. I'm not sure if I was successful, but I liked the color combination anyways. And it was pretty simple to do. I know a lot of people hated the crackle polishes, but I actually really like them, and I'm still actively using all of the ones that I got. And that was manicure number 5, so this video is concluded. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you liked it and found it useful. Happy Easter and happy spring! Again, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Be you, always. Bye!